we start with census data, but we have to do a lot of things with census data to be able to make it a little bit more translatable and usable for the early childhood field. And then what we do is we match that and integrate it with state administrative data usually, but it can be other data sources. And basically what we're doing is we're trying to understand what's happening with every single child and then which services are being delivered to which children. Um, and then from there, what the quality is and how that is going so that the child receives the best possible service that they can and that the state is optimizing its funding as much as possible.
So is that what you just described, is that an early childhood integrated data system? Is that when people call that an ESIDS, is that what that is?
Yeah, it's our version of what that is, but as you
Okay.
know, Will, there are a lot of definitions for what ESIDS or EKIDS is. In fact, people can't even necessarily agree on how to pronounce the name.
Right.
Um, but our version is that it's an analytical system that essentially ingests all of this data from all of these different sources and puts it together to be able to allow state governments, foundations, nonprofits, other major stakeholders to see the whole picture of the early childhood field, usually in a state, but it could be in a city, it could be in other geographies. That's traditionally what an eKids or an eSIDS is supposed to be.